Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an automatic clickable table of contents in Microsoft Word. First, format your headings. Go through your document and highlight each section title. On the Home tab, click Heading 1 for main sections and Heading 2 for subsections. This is what Word uses to build your table of contents. Now, insert the table. Click where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of your document. Go to the References tab and click Table of Contents. Choose one of the automatic table options from the drop-down menu. Word will instantly generate a clickable table of contents based on your headings to update it later. After you add or change sections, click anywhere inside the table of contents, then click Update Table at the top. Choose Update Entire Table and click OK. One important thing to know: hold Ctrl and click any entry in the table of contents to jump directly to that section in your document. The hyperlinks work automatically. A quick tip: if your table of contents looks off, click Custom Table of Contents at the bottom of the Table of Contents menu. You can adjust how many heading levels to show, change the tab leader style, or show or hide page numbers. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.